LinkedIn Sales Navigator is a powerful tool designed to help sales professionals find, connect with, and engage prospects on LinkedIn. Here's a quick guide to using it. Sign up and log in. Go to Sales Navigator and sign up for a subscription. Log in using your LinkedIn credentials. Set up your account. Customize your Sales Navigator profile by entering your target market, ideal customer profiles, and sales preferences to tailor your search results. Use advanced search filters. Sales Navigator offers advanced filters such as industry, company size, location, role, seniority, and more. Use these filters to create highly targeted lists of prospects. Save leads and accounts. When you find potential leads, click Save as Lead to keep track of them in your account. You can also save specific companies as accounts for organized outreach. Engage with email and connection requests. Send personalized email messages to prospects even if you're not connected. You can also send connection requests with customized notes to engage potential clients. Monitor account updates. Sales Navigator provides real-time updates on saved leads, such as job changes or company news.